Do high gas prices, a terrible economy, stagnant wages, does it have you staring at your fuel gauge in your vehicle, terrified at the pump? I discovered how to get better miles per gallon in seconds, well, maybe minutes, while I was just outside checking the fluids on a couple of vehicles. Now, one of the vehicles didn't have any washer fluid left. I added some, and it took the entire 2-liter bottle full of water, and it still had room. So then I went over to the truck. Huge, oh my gosh, huge reservoir for the washer fluid. And I was like, whoa, wait a minute. And then I had like an epiphany. How much does water weigh? Well, this 2 liters of water that I added to one vehicle weighs 4.401 pounds, almost 4.5 pounds on an average temperature day. Now, if we change the temperature on this calculator and it's colder, the water is going to weigh more. And if it's a warmer day, the water is going to weigh slightly less, but we're still looking at about 4.25 pounds, okay? Keep that in mind. The more weight your motor is moving around, the more gas it's using. If you don't use your washer sprayer thing all the time, drain it. You don't need it. Why do you need it full? Just put a squirt in there and drain the rest of it. Lighter vehicle, better gas mileage. You're welcome. Share your miles per gallon, your fuel economy tips in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Ryan for Scylla Reviews. Thank you so much for watching.